Hey there, Leslie here, but we're going to talk about killer skills you absolutely must have when you go into the legal workplace, okay? No matter what type of legal workplace it is, the typing skills are important, okay? And the speed in which you type, are so important. So I would say shoot for 55 to 60 words per minute. And now you may be gulping right now. If you are at the 35, 45 or so, then take typing tests every single day. That's what we did in high school to push our speed up. Go to Google, research free typing tests. I give you links in my book right here. And we're on page 27, by the way. And some of the links are on page 29. And you can look for your own links too for free typing tests. Take those, get that speed up, okay? Next thing is filing, which is purely knowing the alphabet. And we file documents on the computer by client name usually, and that will be alphabetized. And then in the filing cabinet, same thing, alphabetized, but we will separate out correspondence into a folder. We will have legal documents into a separate folder, and they'll be indexed by number and with an index on the top so that the attorney can find the documents quickly. And then the other thing, last thing, is proofreading. Make sure that you are going line by line down a document that you have created, whether it could be correspondence, it could be a motion, it could be a brief, but you are responsible for proofreading that. Don't rely just on spell check. Use spell check, but then you have to proof, and you may, if it's a long document, ask somebody else to proof it with you, and one person will read and the other person will be really looking at, does this make sense? Sometimes you need that kind of help, okay? That will build your reputation where the attorney trusts you to do good work, okay? And don't hand it over to the attorney as if that's your English teacher who's there to correct everything. That's quite the opposite. Your grammar and spelling should be right on. If you have problems with the proper grammar use, then you need to maybe take a course online for that. And really look into how apostrophes are used properly. My last name has an S on the end, but I don't add another S when I say Leslie Williams's document. There's just an apostrophe after the S. So make sure you go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look under all the tabs there and look under the Paralegal Resource Hub for the playbook. That's free.